Hello, good afternoon, trader. Welcome back to Forex Black Box channel. Today is the 8th of July 2020. Look at the S&P 500 future contract. You see that kind of the pattern I'm talking about. Talked about that yesterday. Talked about this butterfly pattern that's on the daily. Looks like it's going to be achieved. To yesterday, we pushed all the way down, come back up today, and look like risk off started kicking in. I like to see that below the 20 moving average to give me an edge. That could be going lower from here. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2 altogether. We're looking for 3, a little bit middle of that range, about 8, 2,850 probably. We just need to break the 3,000. 3,000 is going to be a key. If we broke the 3,000, then probably going to see more momentum down. But if we're above the 3,000, probably going to see another bounce up 50% and we'll push down. Right, looking at gold, we hit the 1800 finally. We hit up to 1818.73 exact. So that's indicating that risk off is started kicking in, guys, and that's very interesting. We start to gold from here, that flag. We come out of the flag, consolidation, break higher, give you a pullback to get in, second pullback, and we'll break through. I think we're going to see some momentum back down here to this level. Not right deep into it, but every time we get away from the 20 moving average, we'll come back near it again. So my expectation is to come back here and retest that moving average and we double top or higher high. Okay, so that's look good. That's look good for risk off sentiments. I was been talking about it for a couple of weeks now, and it looks like it's starting to be priced in the market. Sorry, I didn't show you my drawing, but here you go. I'm watching that very closely because I want to see whether or not this level is going to be violated, or will break through, or will go down from here. Because that level, that's where the breakout happened. Come down 1, 2, 3, and push back up again. Let's see if it's going to hold to continue on momentum down or not. Gold is going up. Dollar is going up. So dollar against Bitcoin. That's a good indication that it will can drop very much indeed from this level. Okay, just a few more dollars here, maybe a couple $100, cover $50, I guess. So that's a daily view as well. So keep that in mind as well. If you trade in the small time frame, is a different story, is a different strategy. I'm only showing you what's happening during the day and what the best to do overall bigger picture. Okay, oil here is still head, a shoulder, a left, a right shoulder. Let's see if it's gonna break below the 20 moving average or not. At the inventory, I don't know what happened in inventory, but I didn't look at it. I don't really trade oil, but we're still holding the 61 Fibonacci 3 times in a row. So 1 time pullback, 2 and 3. What's happened from here? Let's see if it's going to hold and break through, come back, retest and continue, or it's going to drop down from here, retest and continue down. So probably we're looking for below 20 moving average. We're hugging the 20 moving average for the last few days, like a month. And now, look, we went away from the moving average. The first time we retested, there was a big gap here between here and here. And now, with second time, let's see if it's the third time it starts momentum, lose it to go down, feeding away. Let's see that if it's going to work or not. Okay. So, in my opinion, don't trade it yet until we see below the 20 moving average, or retest the 20 moving average and you can take it up if it's going up. Dollar index coming back down. That could be a flag for another push back up, quick push. So we have one push down, come back up, another push down. We're still really above the previous swing low. So that indicating that could be today is the kicker to push back up, and we'll have another high here around this red line, which is going to be resistance and supported here as well. Support, support, support. The price didn't really react too much to it. Let's see if it's going to be valid resistance or not when it comes to it. Okay. Euro USD, of course, is going up again. Let me just delete this. I already exit that position and re-enter again. Actually, at these highs, to be honest, at these highs, I still in the trade short. I think that's going to continue down. It's stalling here. 3 days, 2 days, 2 days. So there's a nice resistance in the past 30 days. I think 30 days gap. So this holding this level, we couldn't really reach that high yet. So if the stock showing momentum down today, probably going to see dollar strong, and dollar index of course is going up, and euro dollar will go down. So I'm looking for one push down. So we'll have a push, wave two, consolidation here, two times, two tops, and we'll be looking for a major move to that green level, which is 11 dollar point 11. Okay. Of course, cable going up as well as the dollar was showing weakness over the day, and now we will see whether or not we'll break higher or not on cable. Remember that we have a resistance here, supported level, support. We broke, we have a failure to continue back up, retesting, and we'll come back down. One, two, three measure move, calculation, finish. The measure move coming back up slowly. So I think this is going to be head and shoulder story, and probably going to back up down, and we'll continue back up. So that could be today is the level we could just consider short from here. All this area consider short until is not holding anymore. So if you see dollar, you have to keep your eye on dollar and stock. If the stock is going up, then the dollar is getting weaker. Then we'll see pound going up and euro going up. If the stock going down, then probably going to see dollar strong, and we'll see the opposite what we talking about here. So far we did one a small pushback, two could be continue up to this level. So that major move visually look like we're going to reach here. We have another push, and let's see what's happening here. Okay, just at this moment, I'm not sure if we want to buy here. I don't think so. It's too risky to buy here because it could just drop from here. That could be the resistance, and you brought high. You brought too expensive. So wait for it to give you more momentum. Today is Wednesday, so Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, three green days. So it could be Thursday, Friday. The next couple of days it could be the pullback momentum down. Okay. Yen, pound yen. See that yen coming to resistance level here. Been talking about for the last few days. That level here is a interesting level altogether. Is supported at this high. That's a failure to break higher. Failure. Come back down. Have a W who broke. Coming back up. I'm looking for retest again to this breakout. Probably could happen next few days. If yen becomes strong, probably going to have a failure to continue up and will continue back down. So far we have a resistance level. I don't recommend to buy it now. Wait for it to come back down. If it's coming back down, you can short it. Make your stop loss just above the previous day. And if we broke if tomorrow, for example, will come back down and break that day, you enter your position, you leave your stop loss above this day, and you'll be 1 to 1 until further down momentum to be achieved. Okay. Here we have didn't really come to my entry here. I did short it from the 20 moving average. Just I've been really filled my position, and before I get the stream, momentum started showing down. I think that they could end up very much down momentum first, but I need to see the stock is gonna push back up before the close. If the stock keep going down, we're gonna see a big day today here green, very much. If that's the case, then we're gonna see momentum coming back up to 0.8205. Okay. So far it's touched the 20 moving average and bounced. That's a good idea to short it for me. That will be my exit position, and I'll be re-enter again for long. So I'm shorting the retracement back, and I'll be longing it back when it comes to this level. Okay, I have everything set up already. I've abandoned order here to get me in and get me out of that short position. Pound New Zealand is showing nice momentum. First Monday it was red, Tuesday, Wednesday, so looks good. Probably Thursday probably come up here to the 20 moving average. We're coming near the 20 moving average. Remember, there's a gap here. There's a gap further and even further here. So started getting close to the 20 moving average. That's a good news, but I'm still skeptic about it. I have two bottoms. I think this is one. This one is it could be the failure to break lower. I like to see 20 moving average come back, respect this level, continue back up. That's when I will be jumping in a trade long. I don't want to short it yet, but I short Aussie because Aussie more connected to S&P 500. Pound CAD, see that, yeah, very giant today, yesterday, really we go Monday, Tuesday flat, Monday, Tuesday flat, Wednesday sideways, probably Thursday, Friday we'll see some pullback to the 20 moving average definitely. If you continue back up today, I don't see any news. Inventory already given out, so I don't see any more momentum up until we see it retest again to the 20 moving average, or at least this level close to the 20 moving average. Probably gonna consolidate, touch 20 moving average, and bounce. Okay. Okay, guys, this is it. Just a quick one to give you the update. Please, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe and like and leave a comment. If you have a question, ask. The one question someone asked me, what do you think about pound Swiss? Let me answer that quickly. I don't really trade it, pound Swiss. I only trade pound pairs. So let's see. Where is pound Swiss? It's a risk off. If a risk off is kicking in, then we're probably going to have um, momentum down here. So I think that's in the 20 moving average. You see that? Hold the 20 moving average. I'll give you a double top here on 20 moving average. A failure to break above this high. A failure. If you want to jump in short, that will be great. But remember, bound a little bit strong, so probably going to feed away the next couple days. So yeah, just wait for it. I will try to put that in my everyday analysis. I will keep that on the list. Sorry if I removed it for the last few days. But that's it. We'll have a 1-2. Looks like a head and shoulder pattern. Probably break lower if risk off start kicking in the market. We're going to see that very much. If we go up to the weekly, see that a push, come back from the breakout, bounce again, come back, break the breakout level, a failure, but it's not really showing momentum to the 10 moving average. So I think this will continue one more leg down. Just stay tuned for that, guys. Okay. Okay, guys. Thanks very much. As I said, please subscribe, and like, and leave a comment, ask me questions, and I will reply to you. Thanks very much. Great day. Talk to you tomorrow. Bye.